So depending on the age pa rin. If
Mm.
my clients are young, I gave them a basket of equity fund. Pag
Mm.
medyo older yan, I gave them the conservative basket.
Mm.
Kasi
Mm.
they cannot stay long because of the time. Kulang
Yun
sa
na nga.
time.
Oo nga, kasi kung medyo matanda na, andyan na yung YOLO, you only live once, and
Yes,
you may not be around very long. So,
very long. We just have to maximize putting it in a government bonds or that kind
mm,
of baskets that can earn a little bit, at least kahit papano.
mm.
Diba?